Hi, welcome back to Wise Guys. So this video is another one in the percent. I think it's the last one actually. It's practice questions. Oh, there you go. Practice questions. And what I'd like you to do is just pause the video. I think there's only two questions. So pause the video. Work through this question, and then you can restart the video, and I will be working through the question. Okay, so here we have a question. Cast iron contains 3.75% carbon. How much carbon is contained in a 36 kilogram bar of cast iron? Okay, so sometimes it helps to draw a picture. Here's our bar. It's a 36 kilogram bar. And let's pretend right here is our carbon. And it's 3.75%. And of course, I know that the carbon's dispersed throughout, but it's easier to see visually if we just put it right here. Okay? So you can see then that this is the part they're asking, and the 3.75 is the carbon. All right, so this is the part, the whole is this piece. So then the whole bar is the 100%. The 36 kilogram refers to the weight, or the mass, I should say, of this entire bar. So then if we think about it as part over whole, we have 3.75% over 100%, which equals the mass of the carbon, because what we're being asked for is how much carbon. So we're being asked for the mass of the carbon. The mass of the carbon over the mass of the whole bar, which is 36 kilograms. So now we're trying to solve for x. What we're going to do is multiply this side by 36 kilograms. Multiply this side by 36 kilograms. Go back to this point. These two cancel. So we're left with x equals 36 kilograms times 3.75% divided by 100%. And we just put that into our calculator. And you can see, of course, 3.75 is really small compared to the 100. So this is going to be, our answer is going to be a small mass. So 36 times 3.75 divided by 100 equals 1.35. So we have 1.35 kilograms. Now it's a good idea to pay attention to your significant figures. We have 3 sig figs here and 2 here, so we should have 2 in our answer. So we're going to say this is 1.4 kilograms. Okay, now you can pause the video again, try this question. Work through it on your own. You can turn the video back on, and then I will work through the question. So here we have a question about solder. If a type of solder is 45% tin, how many kilograms of tin are needed to make 28 kilograms of solder? So it's very similar. In fact, I'd say it's virtually the same as the last question. So again, we have solder, okay? and 45% of it is tin. 45%. The mass of this solder is 28 kilograms. So again, and we're trying to find the kilograms of tin, which is the part. So part over whole, we have 45% over 100%. We're looking for the kilograms of the tin, which is the part, over the 28 kilograms of the solder, which is the whole thing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to approach this question by doing the division here. 45 divided by 100 is 0.45. That equals X over 28 kilograms. I'm going to multiply both sides by 28 kilograms. These two cancel, and we have X equals 28 kilograms times 0.45. 0.45 times 28 equals 12.6. So 12.6 kilograms. And you can see as well that it has to be close to half, right? So this is a reasonable answer. And we have 2 sig figs, so we're going to go with 13. Whoops, we're wonky here. We're going to go with 13 kilograms. All right, and I believe that's the last question. So there you go. I hope you have a good day. That was a presentation of